Introducing the all-new 2026 Ram 1500 Limited, a truck designed not just to compete, but to dominate every square inch of road it touches. Draped in a striking metallic gold finish, this machine commands attention before it even starts its engine. The front fascia is a statement of pure confidence. A bold blacked-out Ram grille, sculpted performance hood with functional vents, and razor-sharp LED headlamps that could slice through a storm. It's not just a truck, it's a moving declaration of power and prestige. Beneath the hood lies Ram's latest generation high-output hybrid Hemi V8, delivering a monstrous blend of raw combustion force and instant electric torque. Whether towing, sprinting, or climbing, the 2026 Ram responds like a muscle car disguised as a luxury pickup. Paired with adaptive air suspension and intelligent 4x4 management, every journey feels as smooth as it is unstoppable. But the limited badge means more than capability when it promises refinement without compromise. Massive multi-spoke performance wheels wrapped in premium off-road rubber give it a low-slung performance stance while still ready for rugged terrain. Body-colored bumpers and satin black trim add sophistication to its muscular build. Approach the truck and the powered step rails. Elegantly deploy like a butler greeting its owner. Refined, respectful, and always ready. Walk around back and the attention to detail continues. Full-width LED taillights illuminate with precision. Twin chrome exhaust tips growl with authority. And the power liftgate opens to reveal a modular cargo management system built for both work and adventure. The integrated sports rack offers utility for tools, gear, or even weekend escapades. Proving the 1500 Limited isn't just stylish, it's brilliantly functional. Step inside and everything changes. Suddenly you're not in a truck, you're in a first-class executive suite. Premium quilted leather stretches across the seats, dashboard, and door panels. Real metal accents glisten under customizable ambient lighting. The enormous Uconnect touchscreen flows seamlessly into a fully digital gauge cluster, delivering navigation overlays, trailer data, and performance feedback with cinematic clarity. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, G Hotspot, wireless charging. Everything is wireless, effortless, and beautifully integrated. Heated, ventilated, and massaging seats turn every journey into a rolling spa. And yet, for all its comfort, the 2026 Ram 1500 Limited remains fearless. Hill descent control, surround view cameras, and autonomous towing assist make even the toughest jobs feel effortless. Whether hauling family, freight, or adrenaline, this truck adapts like a loyal teammate and protects like a steel fortress.